So people, yesterday I went to the entertainer. Well, I just wanted to have a little look around, see what they were selling that day, because I was intrigued, because I thought I might as well, because I walked past him. And I didn't really want to buy anything. But then I saw two Nerf guns in one set, actually. And well, you know I love collecting my Nerfs, and I've done so much YouTube videos on those. And if you haven't seen those, here's the link. And well, here it is. Oh, come here. Wow. Alright, so as you can see, there's two guns. And they look very interesting. They look like pistols. And well, I don't really care what gun they are as long as I get them because they look really cool. So let's do that. And that. Ooh, and look what we got, guys. Some instructions, which I don't use. And then here is the amazing gun, very light, very posh. And here, I'm guessing this is what he has on his arm right there. So I won't be a minute, so I'm going to put this on and I'll be right back with you. So I have got this attached to my wrist. It is the wristband which can hold any size phone, not a tablet though. Don't think you can fit a tablet into this. And the reason I've got it here is because instead of bam bam and looking there and then like, guys, wait a second, bam bam. Oh, that's better because like bam bam. Oh, bam bam. And basically what the app does is it shows you the stats on you and your opponent, so you know who's winning, who's losing, and that's very helpful. And well, here we've got two modes. This mode here is indoor, so it has shorter range, and this one is outdoor, so it has longer range. And then if we press the beautiful power button, here's shoot, and well, the sound effects are fancy, and reload's even more fancy. And well, if you're trying to cheat, because this basically detects all the shots that you do. So bam bam, if you were getting shot like that, that would light up and it detects it, so it takes some of your health down. And if you try and cover that and shoot because you're on really low health, what it'll do is it'll let the other opponent's damage still harm you, but it won't. Every bullet you shoot won't harm your opponent. It won't do anything basically. So it's basically like a dud. So that's why I love this gun, because there's no cheating involved. And well, yeah, I've got a little confession. I use the instructions. Indoor said I don't need them because, well, you need them because it's not like a normal gun where you're like, alright, let's put the ammo in, bam, 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 close it up, bam, 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 reload, like that. No, because that's like a full-on reload button, how to set up to get in a game and everything, how to install the app, what it's called. So yeah, it's more complicated than just a normal Nerf gun. And well, and the pros and cons, guys. So the one of the pros is that it's very, very light. And another one is it's safe because there's no like Nerf bullets are like bam bam bam. Oh, I'm so sorry, I got you in the eye. No, none of that. And then reload is quick and easy, like bam bam. Oh wait, I'm out of ammo. Bam. You're not like searching for bullets like, oh, there's one. Oh, one's all the way over there. No, it's just bam. And then one of the cons is just one of the guns needs 4 batteries, so you need 8 batteries in total, and they're not any battery, they're 8 batteries, so that's kind of a pain. And if you want to use the strap, this band that was supplied with it, well, you need to have a mobile phone because you can't exactly fit a tablet in there, can you? So other than that, stay safe, game safe, do everything safe. I forgot this. I forget this every time. Press the like button, subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and stay tuned. Till next time, guys. Peace out.